1-Minute English.
In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for get away. Get away means to leave a place. We usually use it when we talk about going on vacation or getting out of the city. For example, I like to get away from the office once a month to go hiking. Get away also means to escape and avoid being caught. For example, the thieves got away on motorcycle. Another meaning of get away is to not be criticized or punished for something. For example, Steve gets away with sleeping in the office. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using get away and leave it in the comments below.